everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. Today I am doing a special video for a special someone. My friend Akira has her own makeup company, brand, business, and it's called MovaK Collection. Actually, it used to be called MovaK Lashes, but now it's called MovaK Collection because she sells more than lashes. She even sells jewelry, and you'll see. I bought some things, and she also sent me some things. Thank you, girl, for trusting me. So I got my package here. So it comes in a little bag. So she put it in a little bag and says thank you. I think this is so cute. Pink is like my favorite color. Okay, so she's allowing me to try out. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, I love this. Oh my lord. Okay, wow. I was not expecting all this love. I'm excited. Wow. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I bought the lashes. Packaging is, to me, is just so freaking cute. Like, hold on. Like, look at her packaging. So cute. MovaK Mink Lash Collection. It has her Instagram on the back. The sides around the box are glitter, sparkly. And these are the lashes, Baby Doll. It comes with a mirror. And it's just so cute. These are the lashes called Baby Doll. Really, really pretty. Again, this is the packaging, really pretty. These are Rockstar. Really, really pretty. Really cute, really cute. And you see the color theme of my room. So, match. Just come with these cute little wands. They're pink. Yeah, they're pink right here. To take care of your lashes. These are really, they don't feel disposable. I think you can wash them, to be honest, because this part feels like hard. Like, it doesn't feel like it's not flimsy. Like, yeah. So these are for your lashes, to take care of your lashes, to brush them out. I think this is so cute. Two glosses, really pretty glosses. One in purple and one in pink. This is number 12, number 13, and it has her MovaK lashes on it. MovaK Collection, I mean. And they don't have a scent to them, which is great. And that's how they swatch. Very pigmented. Are these lipsticks or glosses? I think they're lipsticks. Very pigmented. That's that one. I love that color. It's really pretty. And number 2. So what you see in a tube is what you get, which I love. Really cute, really, really cute. Love that. So wow, oh my gosh, this is exciting, y'all. I got a lash applicator, which I usually pop mine on by hand, just natural for me. But I'm trying this out. I've never used the lash one, so it's pink. It matches. I might use it on clients, to be honest. So her business card, which is so cute to me, looks like a credit card. I think it's fabulous, and it comes with a discount code right there. It's so cute. Like, I just love how it looks like a credit card. You know, it's so cute to me. I'm gonna like display this in my makeup collection. Hairpins, you know, are popular right now. This one says Boss right here, which is what she is. The one that says Black Girls on it, which I love. That's all magic. Then we have gold. She also sells necklaces, guys. Just cop yourself one. I'm gonna get myself one. One that says melanin on it. And one that says, or has, the dollar signs on it. Yeah. So, cha-ching. Really pretty. Then she sent me 2 palettes, y'all. Okay, I'm so excited. The ingredients are on the back. So this is what it looks like. So cute to me. So this first palette I'm opening. Again, it has her brand printed out on this. I love so much. Let's see. It's protected with bubble wrap, which I appreciate. This is what we're working with. Really pretty. Very pretty shades. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. So pretty, guys. I'm gonna try this pretty pink right here. Really pretty. So that's the first palette I have, and this is the 3.5 GP one. We are working with colors. Oh, a lot of colors in this one. Really pretty. So we are working with we are working with these colors right here. Very pretty palette. I love this palette, guys. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this. Wow. This is legit. So cute. So cute. So bad. Love it. What do I want to try? This is one of the blue shimmer shades. Really pretty, like glitter shades, pressed glitters. All of the stuff is very pretty. The yellow shows up on me, you know. Really good for its quality. She's doing her thing, guys. Her thing. Okay. These are fabulous. Like, look at this, guys. That is all we have that I've gotten in my package. I am going to decide on a makeup look, and we're about to do a makeup look, so I'll be right back going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure that out now. So, be right back. Okay, so I'm deciding I'm going to do a pink and purple look. This ring light doesn't like to work with me at all, but I'm going to try to make this work. And we're going to take this shade right here. You're going to carve out your brow, and you're going to prime your lid. This lighting is not doing me any justice, y'all. I'm sorry. I apologize because I need a new light, to be honest. But anyway, we're going to keep like that. With the P. Louise base I'm using, and I'm just going to carve it out. That's what P. Louise said. This is what they highlight. That's how you use the base. So pat it in. I do notice a difference when you do pat it in instead of just put it on. Because it will crease if you put it on, but anyways, let's do it again. Alright, just kind of like this one right here. We're going to put it in our crease, and we're just going to pack it on. That's how you use shadows. You're going to pack it on. So what I love about this palette, it's very blendable. It's buildable. Yeah, it's very buildable and blendable, actually, both, which I love. Her palettes are affordable and very high quality, which I love. Like, I'm so proud. I love that. Bring it up, and then you want to start doing circular motions and shit. I'm going to take this little Morphe N431, which is like one of my favorite brushes. We're going to take this darker purple right here. Like just right below it, so we can have that variation of purple that we want. Again, you just pat in the middle and blending those two together. That other one, and just put that color back because we kind of lost it. So we're gonna put that back in there. Again, by blending it right here. So then go on that cheek right there. Blend the outer edges with this color, but by packing it on. It should look like that. Again, the lighting is not doing me any justice. It's making it look weird, actually, to be honest. In person, it looks really pretty and it's ombre, but in camera, it's just like the light is kind of making it washed out. But it's whatever. Base on our hands. I'm in the shade Rumor 5, if you're wondering. Take it in the middle. Look up, look around. That is where you cut the crease at. I'm going to blend that out again. So basically, you take the product and you just stamp it on. Like that. Okay, so once that's all stamped on and cut, we're going to like make a wing out of it by stamping that on as well. Once you like do your face, you give it a clean up. So when you use that color, it should look like that. And we just blend it with that, the outer edge part. We're just gonna blend the outer edges with that purple one with the pink purple. In the corner. And then that part. So we kind of have something like that. Color, I'm gonna take this color, and put it on my lid. And we're going to just literally take that all over the lid. It'll be best to use glue, like I said. And then take that other pink and put it next to that. In the middle. Kind of have like an ombre on it. Okay, Okay, so this is what it looks like. I like it a lot. Wow, it's really pretty. These are the lashes in Baby Doll. I'm gonna put them on all the way because my eyes are tearing up at the moment. Like because I have really bad allergies, so I lightly place them on. The lid is coming off because the glue isn't sticking because my eyes are technically wet right now. So yeah, yucky foot, yay allergies. But this is the look. Very, very, very pretty. I'm going to actually just do the lash application. So this is what it's looking like. Tearing up. This is the result of the look. I love it. It's so cute. Like, the quality is just amazing. Like you see through the stars. MovaK Collection, all of her links down below. Thank you guys for watching. More looks in that this is like one of my favorite palettes right now. Like Jim Shaw cool. Like it's so pretty. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Go shop her collection. Go check out her website. She has a ton of things. So yeah. See you guys No, I'll never forget that day.